What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. It's good to have you all here. And in this video, we're analyzing the CRV token, the token used on the Curve DAO. Oh, we should actually call it the Curve DAO token, which is obviously used on the Curve decentralized app and Curve Finance. And I wanted to cover it today because it has been relatively bullish. It's up 9%, which is great. Also up against the market, which has been relatively stable compared to yesterday. And apart from that, I mean, Curve is one of the most used decentralized finance programs. It has more than $5 billion locked. Volume is always great, but that's also because CRV is being transacted quite a lot because of the nature of the platform. So at this point of time, the volume is at 240 million, which is almost half of the market cap, a little bit below that. But yeah, so I just wanted to cover it in today's video. Also a little bit of a recap because of the inflation rate yesterday. You can very clearly see this was the move that was caused. We first had a big drop, and then 88 cents already proved to be a strong enough support level for Curve to actually get a move all the way up to this local top, which we hit about a week ago as well. Not at $1. $1 is also a minor key level, as you can see, but at 1.05. That is a little nugget of education, which you tend to see a lot with cryptos, but it's not something you can rely on. But I've seen it quite a bit, is that the $1 level for a lot of cryptos, in bull runs and stuff, it reacts very well. But for other cryptos where it kind of circles and waves around $1, what you tend to see is that 1.05 is actually stronger than $1 itself. So that is also happening right here. I mean, right now we're between $1 and 1.05, which is pretty interesting. The entire key level is ranging more from 1.1 and 1.05. So if we would want to get some sort of a bullish breakout with Curve, which I think there's a small possibility. I think there's a small possibility that we will find support at $1, get above 1.01, find resistance at 1.15. But if we break above 1.1, we'll get up to 1.25, I think. So that's the one scenario in which we could get some sort of a bull run with Curve, but I'd say the chances for this are not that likely. I still think that there's a small percentage chance that we will actually still get a big drop from those inflation rate numbers yesterday. So be careful with that. And apart from that, I don't think the market is strong enough to actually facilitate such a move. I think it's more likely that we might actually get to 1.1 and kind of stay between $1 and 1.1. But afterwards, I think we're dropping down to 92 cents. And then I also think we're dropping lower towards this 85, 88 cents area. And from there, I do think we'll get back up again to 1.05 and have another chance to break that and otherwise consolidate. But I do want to add is that this is my bias, this is my analysis. I don't think this will happen. I think this is the most likely scenario. But I have to add that if Bitcoin actually drops down towards 19,000 again from where we are right now, I think that would be quite a big shock for crypto too. So if something like that would happen, I think Curve is going to drop down immediately towards 85 cents. And if Bitcoin actually gets some sort of a bearish breakout towards 17,000, for example, then I think Curve could fall as low as 70 cents within days. So I just wanted to add that and I don't think at this point of time, and that might be because I'm too optimistic, I don't think 19,000 for Bitcoin will break. So that's why I don't want to go into depth too much about that. That's my bias about Bitcoin and about the market, but I still want you to be prepared for that and definitely realize that something like that is very possible and something like that could go very quickly. So yeah, as I said, there's still a small chance for some sort of a bullish breakout for Curve. Otherwise, I think we'll drop down and have another chance in the next week and a half. So that's basically my video. It was a little bit too long. That was my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.